is for explicit and partial sums of arithmetic sequences, and the only difference is going to be everything's going to be starting when n equals 1. That is the first term. So rather than having like a y-intercept, well, you'll see what I'm talking about. So the explicit formula for arithmetic sequences is given as a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. A sub 1 is the first term, and d is the constant difference. The difference here is we have this n minus 1, which if you think about it carefully, that means when you distribute this, you're going to have an n times d, or d times n, which is like the slope times the x. But you're also going to have minus 1d, which means you're going to be moving back. That is, when you combine the a sub 1 and you have the plus dn, but then you have minus d, the d and the a sub 1 are going to combine. They're going to combine, and they're going to become the same as a sub 0. So it's really the same equation. The only difference is, because of the n minus 1, we can write it so it has the first term involved. This can be handy if we know information about the first term and not the 0th term. The partial sum formula for arithmetic sequences, well, this, except not in words, is more formulaic looking. So S of n, terms from 1 through n, right? So the sum equals sum from n equals 1 to whatever n is, right? N over 2, so n is the number of terms. A1 plus a sub n. A sub 1 is the first term, so first plus last. It's still that same way. So it's just a way of, another way of thinking of what these formulas are.